LeapFrog presents LeapReader. Disney Pixar Write It. Imagination activation. Join Nemo, Woody, Dash, Mike, and their friends for writing, drawing, and creative fun. Learn to draw a fish friend with Nemo in 3 simple steps.
Step 1. Draw an oval. Now add fins. Great!
Hear Wild West and outer space stories featuring the cast of Toy Story.
My buddy Buzz is a Space Ranger toy.
Build drawing and writing skills with Dash and create an incredible superhero.
Think about what your superpower is, then design your own supersuit. Excellent!
Learn all about Monsters Incorporated in the Meet Your Monster game show hosted by Mike. The LeapReader Disney Pixar Write It Imagination Activation Set includes 24 pages of reading, writing, and drawing activities, and extra pages of special writing and drawing paper. This activity set from the Read and Write series is one of the many books, writing activities, and more in the LeapReader library.